Hello everyone, Eric here. Today I'm looking at this 1996 John Deere 310 SE backhoe loader. They produced these from 1995 until 1999 and into early 2000. These loaders have a 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine. And of course, as standard equipment on all backhoe tractors and loaders, they have a front wheel assist. I like the color on this one. They ordered this one, they had it painted this nice sky blue. They're doing some excavating here. CSX Transportation contracted them to do some excavating due to there being some water lines right along the railroad tracks. Just a quick walk around video showcasing this machine. I like the old John Deere equipment from the late 80s and early 90s. That was a big turning point for John Deere when they really started to get into the construction equipment. Here's the number of the fleet number, I should say. Yeah, this machine's real nice. I love the paint job on this thing. Here's a checklist that the workers are provided with. Yes, so just a really nice machine. I just want to document this. You know, these old pieces of construction equipment are getting up there in age, so I kind of wanted to do a little walk around video on these because they won't be around forever. Okay, that'll be it for the 1997 John Deere 310 SE backhoe tractor loader. Thanks for watching. If you have any other recommendations that you want me to do walk around videos on, or any other machines I should say you'd recommend me to do a video on, I'd be glad to showcase one of them. So thanks for watching.